Hi, this is the real world. I'm a lot of things are on my mind. I may be young and innocent, but not. I can clearly see what's present. I can only imagine life when the world was first created. A beautiful scene yet to be exploited. A lot of green and blue that had the bright yellow sunshine that lights up the day. God gave us a world full of promise. He wanted to use it, take care of it,
May
and make sure
nagbe-decline na
that there
gagawin.
is plenty for everybody. The water is not blue as it was. The air we breathe is not healthy anymore. The forest that used to be rich and full, now, where to be seen? Dead, renewed, destroyed. What happened to the promised land? How dare we ruin it? Look at these people. Look at it. If the word could only speak, it would tell us how much it hurts. All of us can do something, but not everyone is willing to do it. Now, I can't imagine what the future holds. Living, hoping, praying. The chances are getting thinner every time. Time is running out. We better do it now or pay the price later. Let's rebuild this world and plant new life for a new day.